beautiful. Is there anything that you want to share, meaning that you think it's very important to share?
Okay, Martin. Okay, talking to the youth, ne? Yeah, but fair too. I think people should believe in themselves. You know, I feel like umuntu kumele azithembe in doing something, and when you put your mind into something, trust me, you're gonna achieve it. You know, so yeah, youth nje bafethu asiphandeni sipusheni. Yeah, let's change our situations and understand that siphumeni kasi bafethu the toxic and understand that ghetto. That's why I'm ofike masaba, but yo, he's so ghetto. You understand?
But you can take a ghetto person out of a gas, but you'll never take the ghetto-ness in them. I hear you.
I understand.
There's life out there.
Yeah, there's life out there, my friend. Yeah.
In a nutshell, there's life.
There's life out there, and it's beautiful, you know. And it's said that we are not experiencing that life, you know. We need to experience it and understand.
Because we are smart.
Yeah, I'm faced.
And what can just imagine being a smart African person? What can you do? How many things that you can just invent out of that?
Yeah,
I like that.
Yeah, and yeah.
And then I always ask this question because I believe that even after this, it will take you back there.
Yeah.
And then find some sort of having introspection.
Mm-hmm.
What would you say to the young Simphiwe? When you look at him, now you're giving him a hug. What would you say to that young Simphiwe?
Firstly, I would thank him. Thank you for Patsagal. You know, getting to that age without a lot of drama in your life. You obviously understand.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I would tell him not to go to varsity. Just take that money and start a business, you know. yeah. And then, but yeah, nonetheless, yeah, it's just that.
What do you want to be remembered for? If uNkulunkulu ngomsiyakukhumbula, God forbids.
Uthando lwami. I want to be remembered for uthando lwami, you know. I feel when I meet someone new, I want that person to remember me ngothando, with that guy is a lovely person. You understand? Because even my motto slogan is made with love, you know, and that's my secret ingredient when I cook. I talk to the puppet when I'm so yeah.
And then, are you open to someone coming right now asking for partner now kuma businesses? Are you still cooking movie? Are you still pushing your business?
Yeah.
And are you open to sponsorships?
Yeah, because now I moved from, I want to focus on the catering side of the business.
Okay.
I understand. I want to do your weddings, your unveilings, your year-end functions, you know. So I want to grow into that space, you know. So honestly, when it comes to partnering with people, you know, I have doubts, you know, because at the end of the day, umuntu angeke ayibone le way uyibona ngakhona.
Into yakho.
Yeah. Into yabona, especially uma uqale uyi-one, you know. When someone else comes and they invest money, and then
bona bayithola seyikhulile lento, and when uyiqale ku-incubate,
you understand, uyiqale from ground zero. So I feel like when you start, the way I see it was that when I start getting these kind of offers, I know that I'm moving. You know, I just take that as motivation. What's okay, I'm being realized. It's like artist angeke lisayinwe i-record company lingakaziwa.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
You're gonna make a name for yourself cool, and then the record company would like, we see potential. And at that time, it's no longer potential. I understand it's you are there.
Have you ever thought of maybe one day maybe you will have your own a catering, don't own fundisa about culinary, what.
You know, we used to say no panda. We have to start iskolo street vending.
Yes.
You know, because a lot of people lack knowledge, especially cars when it comes to street vending, you know. So I would love that. I would love to have a school where I teach how to hustle.
If someone right now, they have some burning questions, where can they find you?
On all social media, I'm Spindy Man.
Spindy Man.
Yeah. I get Komunye. When you search Spindy Man, you're only going to find
you.
Yeah.
Are you open to have interactions with people?
Yeah, anyone.
Like that.
Anyone who needs advice when it comes to business, anyone who wants to talk about life, family, you know, I'm game, man. I'm a very cool gent, man. I understand. So yeah, I like helping people food. It's just that sometimes people
that's the advantage.
Yeah.
I hear what you're saying. Yeah. And then in closing, please give me a word for the day.
Love.
You are all about love.
Love, peace, love, and happiness. I preach that, man, about faith. Love yourself, love your neighbor, love what you do, you know, just do everything with love, you know, whether you're taking a jog with love, you know, when you're cooking, you cook with love, and then your life is going to be love. You're going to attract love, you know. Yeah.
Law of attraction.
Law of attraction.
I love that. Yeah. Thank you so much, man. For coming.
Yeah.
For me as well to get to know you better. Because of you know.
Sure.
Thank you so much for this. And I hope nabantu bethu laphana bazwile, guys. He said a very important thing, ukuthi we shouldn't forget that we are Africans and there are certain things that happen midnight. Know your limits. Create yourself a curfew so that also avoid izinto eziningi, ukhabula izinto eziningi, nokuzithola usendaweni wrong ngesikhathi esirong.
Yeah.
You know, and he said it, Ikasi, it's not for you to settle and die there.
Yeah.
Go explore like a butterfly.
Yeah.
I love that. Actually, it's gonna be my new thing.
You should listen to that album.
I will.
How to Pimp a Butterfly.
Yeah.
And then there's another album, like Makafula Villagas. I'm not going back to the township. That's the name of the album.
Mazela Sambrella, Putu Sam.
Yeah.
One of the poets that I love. And it as you said, that it's so sad in Ndaba Zasekasi. We have talents like Abu Makafula, Abu Siashezi. Where are they?
Yeah.
You know?
But Makafula is making moves, eh?
I love that.
Yeah,
it's about time.
Somewhere there.
And even now, when I'm muntu wasekhaya wasekasi, keep on doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
He mentioned indaba ye consistency.
Sure.
Be consistent, be disciplined, believe in yourself, love what you're doing. Don't do it because of other people are doing it. Love it. He said it.
Yeah.
Love it, be consistent, be disciplined. I'm telling you, kunento bizo movement. Angeke kuhlale kunjalo. You know, even now, podcast, other people, even now, maybe I know why I'm doing this, and I'm doing it with love.
Yeah.
And one of the reasons that I wanted to have this is to document all these people who are contributing it differently so.
Yeah.
And I thank you for that. There's that one child right now, as you would one day, we was a survive.
Yeah.
And I will show abantu mabanga yesikolweni, right?
Yeah, no. I would tell my younger self, don't go to varsity. But then, as people, we have different gifts, you know. Yeah. And the world wouldn't revolve nicely if we all did the same thing.
And being illiterate as well, I don't think it's a nice thing. You've spoken about balancing. I think we just have to balance strata and academics.
Yeah.
You know, so that you can be anywhere. Since we want to travel, we want to do anything, you can be anywhere in the world. Siyamthanda kakhulu bethuna, ngicela ningalibaleki ucomment utshilo ke kuma social platforms wakho ngusibindi. So should you want to ask anything unguye and ulobhuti une experience PR ningamyeki guys. Nami nje sengizosondela kuye for my own. Nginithanda kakhulu, ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe. Diyabulela kakhulu. Inkosi nigcine. Festive season, things are happening. Know your lane. Be with your people where you're gonna be comfortable. Don't end up finding yourself kuma situations ukuthi wena uhamba ne vibe ka December. We are out.